Hey guys, what's going on? I've got a quick review of the Fanttik Max E1 electric screwdriver. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so here it is in the box that it comes in. Let's do a quick unboxing here. It comes with a little USB-C, USB-A cable for charging. And then it comes with the main device right here, which you can see has the screwdriver and then this big area with a press area sticker. So we can pull this off. And if you guys don't know how these things work, you basically press this in and then you just have this tube that the screwdriver is not going to fall in on. It's got some nice branding down here. Pretty heavy, honestly. And what I'm going to do shortly is drive some screws and see how powerful it is. But to get this thing out, you just push in and the screwdriver pops out. This is what we have here. So we have a little button for up and down, or basically screwing and unscrewing. And then this is pretty cool. We have a high torque option and then a lock where if you hit this button, it's not going to do anything. High torque option is obviously going to drive screws a little better. So that's what we'll try. Now the nice thing is that it has a little light so you can see what you're doing here. So I like that as well. But let's look a little further into this box and see what we've got in here. This is where we have all of the bits. And there's a couple different options here. So we have our standard bits, and then we've got square bits. We've got some longer extended bits. We have, what is this, almost like a little spatula tool in here. Now these bits are magnetically placed in there, so you just do that and they lock right in, which is super nice, though I could see this maybe these things jostling loose if you were to like hit this on the ground too hard or maybe drop it. I bet they would go everywhere. Some more bits on this side and then some more bits on this side. So let's go ahead and get a standard screw bit out of here. You just push and pop it out, and let's put this in and try to drive a screw and see what happens. So to install, just locks right in there. Boom. Let's get all this out of the way and start trying to screw. Okay, so first let's try low torque, and we'll put this on here and see how it does. So it's cutting out right there. But if I switch it to high torque, it is unable to drive that. So that's okay because this thing is mainly meant for machine screws, but I did just want to give a representation of the torque right there. So it can get it in a decent amount, but what it's really good for is like working on computer hardware. So let's try some of that. So this is an old dusty AIO cooler that I have. So let's see if I can get these screws out of here on high torque. And it does pull them out, so that's good. Overall, a very cool little screwdriver though. Good to have maybe in your car. The one downside I noticed is that you cannot put this thing back in here with a bit on it. It's going to protrude. And then if you have a bit on here, you have to pop this back out to stick it in. But overall, thank you to Fanttik for sending me this product. Pretty interesting, and let me know what you guys think down below. I'll have links to all these items below.